Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube. Today we're going to be washing the E93. It's pretty dirty on the outside and on the inside. We actually found a lot of cool stuff inside the car, and I'll do a separate little video on that one. That's pretty interesting because you never know what you're going to find in some of these cars that you buy from people, especially when they forget to take stuff out of it. So stay tuned and enjoy. All right, so here's the exterior of the car. It's got this really ugly pinstripe on it that is actually painted. It's not a vinyl, so that'll be fun to get rid of. Tires are okay. It's got like your stock 189 wheels on it, nothing special. Needs a really good wash and a few other little things outside. And there we have it. Car's nice and fresh and clean. Looks really good. It's amazing what a simple car wash can do, just to make a vehicle look really good. Anyways, we'll move on to the interior next. Probably do that tomorrow. But so far, you know, I'm really pleased with the outcome of how it looks exterior wise. This car's gonna look sweet when it's done. And the interior is pretty good. You got the red seats in here, which are pretty nice. It's got iDrive, heated seats. I haven't looked at the rest of the VIN sheet to see what else it has, but it looks pretty good for interior wise. I mean, if we weren't gonna keep the car, we were just gonna sell it. This interior you could easily get, you know, $1,500 to $2,000 just for it, which is pretty badass. So I'm excited about that. That's really about it. It's in really good shape for the most part. So just a few little things will need to be done. Definitely good cleaning. Not bad at all. Paddle shifters. That's dope. 110,000 miles. We found a bunch of random stuff in the interior from looking through the car. Got a nice little hat. I think this was the coolest thing we found. Is this mask right here that lights up. It's like, you know, it's pretty cool. Whatever.